Are you going to pay my bill or not?
On November 10th, 2025, officers were dispatched to the bar at the Hilton Hotel in response to a report of a woman refusing to pay her bill.
This episode is brought to you by Police Release. Be sure to check the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the recognition he deserves.
All right, Simona.
I'm just enjoying myself. I don't want to go. I'm okay. I have a little bit of... What if I was trying to get this gentleman to go home and sleep with me? Would that be okay?
Well, we need you to pay the bill right now.
Okay, I'll pay the bill when I'm ready.
Well, you're not eating. Like they said, they're closing up.
What is the plan for tonight? You'd like it to take me to jail, prison,
Well,
or to have me sleep with
I
the
don't
police
want
department
to.
again?
I want you to pay for your bill so we
It's
can
not
go
for
about our
me.
day.
You're not going to get me used to that life. I've suffered enough.
This is the first critical legal fork in the road. Officers are trying very clearly to keep this civil. That's why you hear them repeat one thing over and over. Pay the bill. Once food and drinks are consumed, the obligation is immediate, regardless of promises made by third parties. The moment she refuses or delays payment without a valid method, the situation risks becoming theft of services. The law doesn't care who said they'd pay, only who actually received the goods. Here's the big question for viewers. Should the police have more discretion here, or is this exactly how the system is designed to work?
Ma'am, we're trying to turn a civil matter into not being a criminal matter. So I'll just ask you, do you have means of payment? Because as of this point, it looks
That's
like...
none of your business.
No, it kind of is our
No,
business
until
at
they
this
close.
point.
No, it's not. It's not. And I'm not interested.
Can we call somebody who can pay for your bill, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Give him a call.
Okay.
Call if you
No,
ask me
you-
to call, pay my bill.
Somebody I can
so
call?
I have a question. What would you do if you were me in a situation where you went to dinner, your friend said she would provide her credit card over the phone, and they're not doing so? Wouldn't you then take down the friend's information?
The friend never showed up. You're the one
Okay,
that
she
sat
never
and
showed
done
up.
here.
I came to dinner. I had dinner. She said she was going to pay for my dinner.
It just sounds like a really bad friend.
This is where her argument completely collapses under legal scrutiny, saying my friend promised to pay might work socially, but legally it changes nothing. The restaurant didn't contract with the friend. They served her. Officers aren't debt collectors, and they're not private investigators chasing third parties across town. Notice how the police stay calm while she keeps reframing the issue as unfair treatment. That's a common tactic, confusing morality with legality. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Bad friends don't negate personal responsibility. Would you still expect to walk out without paying if your friend ghosted you?
But
Right, okay, so it's a really bad friend. So if I give you her address and phone number, can you go talk to her?
No, ma'am. That's not the way it works. For right now, you can figure your friend's situation
It's
out
not fun.
afterwards. Right now, I need you to pay for your bill so we can move along. We have a busy night tonight. I just want to get this over with.
Do you need my Louis Vuitton or do you need my Versace? Take the Versace.
No, I just need a form of payment so we can get this bill
It's
taken care
closed.
of.
I mean, a form of payment. You want a gift certificate? You want a coin? A couple of coins? I don't mind.
You have a credit card or a debit card?
I actually don't because it was stolen.
Okay, do you have cash?
I have $10.
Okay.
And then I
let's-
can give you a Mexican coin and two others.
How about you call somebody who can pay for your bill?
I did, and they're not answering. So can I provide you with that person's information? Then you can go to their home
No,
and ask
ma'am.
them to pay it.
No, ma'am. We gotta figure
You need
something
the
out.
jacket?
We gotta figure something out.
Okay, so what do you want?
Do you have some kind of electronic payment you could give them?
You have Apple
Like a
Pay?
Zelle, Apple Pay, Cash App?
I should, right?
I don't know. Do you?
Danny, can you do me a favor and give me your credit card number and pay my bill, please? So I can sleep not at jail tonight. I'm not in the mood. At the Hilton. Sure. I don't care about the hotel. It's the one in Milwaukee. It's not fun. It's not fun at all.
It's not fun.
Can you please pay my bill? Okay, I am not spending the night in jail again. If you want to send one of your friends to spend the night in the car with me, they can do that. I'm not spending the night in jail again. It's enough. We're not doing one day on, one day off. It's none of your fun. Danny, pay my bill. Pay my bill. Are you going to pay my bill, sir? Sir.
Ma'am, he doesn't want to. Let him enjoy his food.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay, well, he doesn't want to talk to you either. Let him enjoy his food.
He certainly did when he walked over to my
Okay,
table.
well, not anymore.
Okay, so can you pay my bill and I'll pay you back?
No, ma'am. That's not the way it
Why?
works.
At this point, the situation isn't about money, it's about control. Watch how the conversation shifts from solutions to stalling. Coins, gift certificates, designer name drops, bathroom requests. These are classic delay tactics when someone is trying to avoid an inevitable outcome. Police repeatedly offer outs. Call someone, use Apple Pay, find any solution. But the longer this drags on, the fewer options remain. Officers are managing time, liability, and a crowded night. So here's the audience question. When does patience stop being compassion and start becoming enabling?
You need to figure the
How does it work
situation
when you're a
out.
police officer?
Ma'am,
And
do you have a way to pay
dates.
for it?
what would you like? Do you want my wallet? Take the wallet.
No, they want a form of payment. Do you
Okay,
have?
I
Do you
don't
have
have a form of payment. You want my coin?
You don't have a form of payment? Is that what it's gonna be?
No, but so okay. So I have a question. By law, what would you do right now if your friend promised to pay your bill and take you out for your birthday over the phone, and they were not able to do so?
We're talking about right now, okay?
Okay,
You dine somewhere. You need to pay a bill. If you can't pay the bill, then you will be arrested, okay? And
Okay,
I don't
why
want that
would I
to.
be arrested?
After being 5 hours late.
Man, this is theft.
It's not theft. Because okay, here.
Huh?
Call. I can give you a number of my father. Call him, and you will provide credit card information.
Just because your friend invited you here for dinner,
Right.
but she didn't show up,
Right.
yet you still ordered food and drink.
Right. And she said she would cover it over the phone as a gift to me.
No, because that would be your personal responsibility at that point.
Right.
You can't
Right.
just
What am
trust
I
something else.
supposed to do in that situation by law? So
Well,
I eat
it's
dinner.
not. It's not a law thing. It's a personal responsibility
Right,
thing.
so
However,
I went
at
to
this
dinner.
point, it would be
Simple
theft of
personal
services
words,
because
yeah.
you have
You wanna
already
see to
consumed
each
the
other.
Okay, well,
food.
what if I give you and provide you with an address and credit card information
No.
to where my father lives and my mailing address, and there you can get all of my information.
That's
We are
affirmative.
not a courier
I am
service.
not, right, but I am also not a thief. So what does one do in this situation? So I can give you a number to where my family lives, my billing address, my mailing address,
Well,
and where you can
We
go.
will give you every opportunity to try to contact
I
somebody.
am not going to sit in jail tonight.
Okay.
It's not healthy for me.
Well, that's why we're giving you opportunities to call people right
Okay,
now.
right. So nobody's answering because it's late. But I can provide you with mailing addresses, billing addresses, and family information.
Again,
where
we're
you
not
can-
a courier service. We're not going to
Right.
drive the gun
So
here.
what are you, my
This is
guardian?
my personal. If you could,
No, because
On
right
the
now we're
underage
here to investigate a
children?
crime.
It's not a
that would
crime.
be better for me.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, because I'm not saying I don't want to pay the bill. I'm providing you, I'm explaining the situation to you and telling you. So, for example, there's people that don't pay their credit cards. There's people that don't pay their medical bills. Do you go to their house each and every single time that somebody misses a payment for a credit card or a medical bill?
I know you will.
No, right. So
Simona,
why is it specifically to
This is one of the biggest misconceptions we see in real-world encounters with law enforcement. She compares unpaid restaurant bills to credit cards, medical bills, and mortgages. But those are contractual debts handled through civil courts. This is immediate exchange, food for payment. Once services are rendered and payment is refused or impossible, theft statutes can apply. That's why officers shut this argument down hard. They're not debating economics, they're enforcing statute. The law doesn't operate on hypotheticals. It operates on actions. And right now, the clock is running out.
Can I?
No,
Do
not
you want me to
anymore.
talk
Not
to someone?
anymore, no. So somebody doesn't pay their taxes on time. Somebody doesn't pay their credit card bill on time. Somebody is late on their mortgage payment.
2,000.
Somebody is late in paying their car payment. You go to their house and arrest them immediately.
We're giving you the opportunity for an out. I want you to keep trying calling people. Stop talking to us. Try to find a solution.
Well, no, because I don't know
Ma'am.
the law, but there has
Ma'am.
to be an
Ma'am,
explanation.
you have two options. You pay the bill, you go to jail. These are your options. Try to figure it out. We're giving you
So
options.
when somebody doesn't make their credit card payment on time, you go to their house.
I don't want to talk to you any further about credit card bills. You have two options. You pay your bill or you go to jail. So
You
make
want me
some
to call
phone calls.
Jeff?
I don't care who you call. I want you to call someone who can pay the bill.
You're good, man.
And you know,
I've
that's
been
something I'm
listen,
very upset
Simona.
about.
I've been patient with you this whole time. We need to figure out a solution to this. I'm not going to stand here all night.
Could you please pay my bill tonight?
Do you want me to talk to him?
Yeah.
Mario, Prospect Heights Police Department. I'm with Simona here. She needs to pay a bill, and she stated that you're able to provide means to pay for her $66 bill. We're dealing with a criminal matter. All right? He's not paying for your bill. You want to call someone else?
Would you like to pay it?
No, I would not like to pay your bill.
Why?
Ma'am, keep calling. Stop talking to me and keep calling. I've been patient with you for way too long. Let's figure out a situation. You want to call mom or dad?
Are you going to pay my bill or not? You want to look up the law with me?
No, I don't.
I'm not in law school.
Okay, I want to figure out a way for you to pay for your bill. That's what I want to do.
I have to use the bathroom.
We're not doing that anymore.
No, I have to pee.
We're not doing that. You can pee at the jail if you can't pay right now.
I'm not going to jail again. It's
Okay,
enough.
so let's
It's
figure it
enough.
out.
You're not going to get me used to that. You're not. I cannot.
I've never met you
Okay,
before.
tell
I need
me
you to pay
the.
a bill.
I asked. You're in law enforcement, right? So what is the law when somebody is promised to be taken out to dinner
Yeah, one last chance.
and have that paid? I don't have a jail.
Okay, yeah,
And
one
have
last
that
chance.
paid for. One
Okay,
last chance for
take
what?
it.
I don't know.
This is the moment everything crystallizes. Officers issue a final, unmistakable choice. Pay the bill or go to jail. No more debates. No more hypotheticals. When she refuses again, despite multiple opportunities, the decision is no longer discretionary. The arrest isn't about attitude, embarrassment, or ego. It's about refusal after lawful warning. This is textbook escalation protocol. And while it's uncomfortable to watch, it's legally clean. The question viewers should ask themselves is simple. At what point would you have folded?
Who I'm going to call. Don't do
Get
that.
up. Hands on your back. Get up. Let's go.
Okay, hang on. Wait,
Uh-uh.
don't take my name off.
We're not going to resist. We're not going to add more charges, okay?
No, that's fine. Consider it.
I'm going to lock them so they don't tighten up on you, okay? This is all your stuff, ma'am. I'm going to put it in your purse. All right.
Do you have anything on you that we should know about right now?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Have a seat. Come on, have a seat. I'm gonna reach over just to get the seatbelt. You wanna lean back for me? Just lean back for me. I'm gonna reach over to get a seatbelt. Only have one female in custody from my location to the station. Starting mileage is 111433. All right, Simona.
Exactly.
Have a seat for me right here, Simona. All right. Don't have a seat for me right here.
Oh, no, I mean.
Oh, okay. All right. One layer of clothing, no earrings, no necklaces. Shoes. If you want to keep your shoes on, take the shoelaces off. And we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay, what am I here for?
For theft, ma'am.
I didn't steal anything. I provided you with an address and a place to pay back the
You'll
bill
have your
in that
chance.
type of
You'll have your
situation.
chance to speak
Yeah,
your
but
side in court.
I don't want to sit
okay?
in jail. This is not for me.
We'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can. Okay.
Why is that?
As soon as we get our paperwork done.
Okay, so is that tomorrow morning, tonight? I don't want to sleep here.
No, it'll be a couple hours, depending on how busy we are.
Okay, but I haven't done anything wrong.
Well, like I said, you can
I
say your side
provided
of the
you with
story.
a situation that is
Right.
very explanatory.
Seems like you just need to make better relationships with different people.
No,
Okay?
it seems like I'm in a very tough situation.
The woman was charged with theft and was issued a trespass warning, prohibiting her from returning.
In the end, this case wasn't about $66, it was about accountability. The judge didn't need intent, excuses, or explanations. Only the fact that services were received and payment wasn't made. The charge of theft and the trespass warning reflect a system that prioritizes clear responsibility over complicated personal stories. This interaction is a powerful reminder. Promises from others don't override your legal obligations. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.